I arrived at Cuisine Solutions 18 years ago as a chef. I used to work in a restaurant industry. I work in a classic dining from a 1 Michelin-Star restaurant, 3 Michelin-Stars restaurant. I used to live in south of France, in Paris. I work in Canada before coming at Cuisine Solutions. What I really like right now in my role, working more with operation, it's about optimizing productivity, minimizing the waste, and try new equipment, AI, robotics. We don't want to be the last using the new technology. Yeah, we have to educate more our customer, like how to calculate the final pricing, why we end up at that price. My chicken is $2.50 a pound, you're selling at $4.50. But they don't realize, about the portioning of the chicken, the waste, the trim. After you have the searing, you lose some, the cooking, the packing. And the most important is they're paying for consistency. It's consistency, quality, same texture, same seasoning. If I would have stayed in the gastronomic world, I wouldn't have seen half of what I've seen, when I moved with Cuisine Solutions. I went all around the world, meet some amazing people, try some amazing products, it's about the culture, the knowledge. To me, it was amazing experience in 18 years, it was a journey, I feel like it's been 2 years,